G'day guys, David from Be Skill Be Fit. Welcome back to Flashback Friday. We're going to have a look at the week that was. Okay, so we mentioned last week about our little friend and coming up with some names for him or her. So we've had a few emails back. We want lots of emails, we want lots of ideas to help us name our character. And then we're going to do some really cool stuff with our character in a couple of weeks' time. So give your suggestions back to your teacher, get your teacher to email them back to us, and we'll put them in the pool. And then, as we mentioned, there's going to be a prize for the person who comes up with the coolest name for our little friend there. And then we're going to do some other stuff with him in a couple of weeks' time. So on Monday with our masterclass, we did our soccer passing and our dribbling. How did you go? Did you slow it down? Lots of practice. Remember to make little touches. Remember, we don't want to use our toe. We can't control it if we're using our toe. So we want to use the instep of our foot, and we want to keep the ball nice and close. So go at the speed that you're comfortable with, where you can stop the ball, you can control it exactly when you need to. Let's have a look. Outside turn, inside turn, inside turn, pull back. Okay, knee, remember to stop it, down on the knee. Okay, so keep it nice and close, and then as you get more comfortable, as you get more confident, you can build up the speed and get faster and faster, as if it is in a game situation and someone's chasing you, trying to tackle you, and you can keep the ball away from them. Now, then we also did some passing. Remember, I stood the table up against the wall? Some passing. Remember, use the instep of our foot. We want the ball coming straight back to us, and then we want to control it. We want to stop it with that same part of our foot. Let's have a look. So control it, stop it, and then we want to progress and build it up to just one touch where you're just hitting it first time and keeping good control. Remember to use both your left foot and your right foot. One of them is not going to feel as confident as the other one, but practice, 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 and you get better and better. In a game situation, you want to be able to use both feet, because you can't always get to your favorite foot. So you can get your other foot really confident, then that is going to make a massive difference once you start playing in real games. So that was Masterclass Monday. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you can go back, you can keep practicing, spread yourself out further, do the drills faster, all of that sort of stuff to make it harder and harder to suit the level that you're at. On Tricky Tuesday, that was a bit of a fun day. We had our paper planes. How did you go with your plane? Remember, I think one of the big keys is make sure you fold the lines really down really hard, really well. And when you're throwing it, if you try and throw too hard, they tend not to like that. And what we want to do is just throw them really gently. And then they tend to go further. Okay, so keep playing with your planes. If it's crashed and burned a few times and it's bent, make a new one. And see how far you can get. See how big a distance you can get your plane to fly. With our 0 to 60, the card sorting. How did you go there? As a good brain break. Remember, with the cards, the more times to do it, your brain starts to remember where all the spots are and you get faster and faster. Did you get the whole deck of cards out? Let's see. As a reminder as to
Jack again, and the 10, ooh, and the 10, and the ace, and...
So give it another go. When you're getting all of the deck out, move the cards on the outside into different positions. You could even mix them up so they're not in order. That would make it even harder. Get your family, get your friends to have a go as well. And keep playing with the 0 to 60 challenge this week. Our challenge with the team was our sit-up challenge. Let's check it out. How did you go with the sit-ups? Remember, slow it down, try and get through them all, try and do them all in one go. If you need to have a little break in the middle, you can do that. And then try and build that up to doing the 10. So that was our Tricky Tuesday. Bit of fun, movement break, brain breaks in there for you. A good change from doing all your online studies. Then we moved on to our Workout Wednesday. How did you go with the workout? Let's check it out.
What's up, guys?
Our Workout Wednesday added in with our sit-up challenge. It was a fairly good workout with our core that week. So sit-ups, were you a bit sore the next day? How did you go? Was it easy? Was it hard? Remember, you can go back to any of the workouts at any time and keep doing them over and over. You can speed it up and do 45 seconds of the exercise, 15-second break, or slow it down if you need to. But the more times that you do the workouts, the stronger you're going to get, the fitter you're going to get, and that's the whole idea of doing those workouts. Then we came to our Thursday TikTok. Again, really cool music with our funky town. I bet you guys came up some awesome air guitars at the end to finish it off. We would really love to see that, because I reckon there'd be some unreal stuff that you guys came up with to put in there. It was really cool music, gets in your head. Keep practicing, remember you slow it down, get the steps ready, speed it up to the music, and keep practicing your other TikToks. They're all good fun. Let's just have a listen to the music one more time so then you can't get it out of your head. Maybe you can air guitar as we go. Okay, so thanks again for a great week. We really enjoy doing the videos for you. I hope you're finding them fun and beneficial, learning some new skills, and keep on practicing them. We will see you again next week. Just before we go, remember our little friend. Remember, we need a name for him, we need some suggestions, we need some ideas, and then we're going to do some cool stuff, as I said. So have a great week, and we'll see you next time.